Good morning, dear children. So, dear children, yesterday we started our new topic, cycle of seasons. Yes, cycle of seasons. There are mainly three seasons in India. Yes, number one is the summer season. Number two is the rainy season, or we can also say that monsoon season. And the last season is winter season. And yesterday we discussed about the summer season, and today we are going to start the rainy season. So, dear children, the rainy season, or in another words, we can also say that monsoon season. Yes, we can also say that monsoon season. Okay, these are the two names. The rainy season is also known as the monsoon season. So, my dear children, what is monsoon? What is monsoon? Yes, seasonal winds which bring rain. Yes, seasonal winds which bring rain to most parts of India. Yes, most parts of India is called rainy season or monsoon season. Yes, what is monsoon? Seasonal winds which bring rain to most parts of India. So, dear children, the rainy season begins in July and continues up to September. Yes, rainy season begins in July. Yes, July, August, and September. Yes, July, August, and September. Rainy season starts from July to September. Yes, it starts from and it begins in July and continues up to September. So, dear children, after the very hot summer, the rainy season begins in June and continues up to September. Yes, or in another words, we can say that it begins in July and continues up to September, and sometimes it begins in June also. And it is known as the monsoon season or rainy season. And during these months, the wind begins to blow from the sea to land. Yes, the winds begins to blow from the sea to land, and these winds are called the monsoon. Yes, these winds are called the monsoon, which carry the black clouds, which is full of moisture. Yes, it carry the black clouds which is full of moisture, and they bring rain to most parts of India. And these winds blow from the Arabian Sea. Okay, these winds blow from the Arabian Sea. These winds blow from the Arabian Sea as well as the Bay of Bengal also. Yes, Bay of Bengal. Okay, so these winds blow from the Arabian Sea as well as Bay of Bengal. So in the first week of the June, we can say that in the first week of the June, the first monsoon showers are experienced in the southern parts of the western coast. Okay, in the first week of the June, the first monsoon showers are experienced in the southern part of the western coast, and slowly the rains spread to the entire western coast. Okay, and slowly the rains spread to the entire western coast. So this is the rainy season. So dear children, rainy season starts from July to September. Okay, it starts from July to September, and sometimes in the first week of the June the first monsoon showers are experienced in the southern parts of the western coastal plain, and slowly the rain spread to the entire western coast. And dear children, the desert areas in Rajasthan and Kutch in Gujarat, yes, the desert areas in Rajasthan and Kutch in Gujarat receive very little rainfall. I told you earlier कि why Rajasthan receives very little rainfall, because in desert region there is very hot. There is a very hot climate, and the desert region in Rajasthan, they receive a very little rainfall during this time, and there is a heavy rainfall in the mountains, and there is a very heavy rainfall in the mountains, and there is a very less rainfall in Kutch, that is located in Gujarat, and in Rajasthan also. Okay, they receive very little, or we can say that less rainfall. But in the other side, we can say that mountains, and they receive heavy rainfall in the mountains, and the most of the rivers are very much flooded. Most of the rivers are very much flooded, and the Coromandel coast receives rainfall in the months of November and December. Yes, the Coromandel coast, the Coromandel coast receives rainfall. Yes, the Coromandel coast receives rainfall in the months of November and December. So, okay, dear children, this is our rainy season. It is also known as the monsoon season. Okay, and rainy season begins in July, and sometimes we can say that it in the first week of the June. And what are the main three rainy season in India? July. It starts from July and it continues up to September. Okay, and these uh, rainy season is also known as the monsoon season, and seasonal winds which bring rain to the most parts of India, it is known as a monsoon. Okay, it is known as a monsoon. And in the first week of the June, the first monsoon showers are experienced in the southern part of the western coast. Okay, in the southern parts of the western coast, and slowly the rain spread to the entire western coast. Okay, and slowly the rains spread to the entire western coast, and by the middle of the July, it covers the whole part of India, and it rains heavily along the western coast and in the eastern and the northeastern parts of India. And which state gets the heaviest rainfall? Which states gets the heaviest rainfall? Yes, Meghalaya. Yes, Meghalaya is a state which gets the heaviest rainfall. And whereas we can see that in desert areas it receives very less rainfall, because there is very much hot climate is there. Okay, and in Gujarat also, okay, in Gujarat, Kutch in Gujarat, it receive very little rainfall during this time, and there is a heavy rainfall in the mountains, and most of the rivers are flooded. And the Coromandel coast, they receive rainfall in the months of November and December. So dear children, this is our rainy season.